What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jules, and I'm back with another restoration. So for this week, I got the new loves from 2017. These were originally released in 2007 in the New Love Old Love pack. Remember that one pair was this colorway, the other pair was the red, black, and white colorway. It was to show love for his basketball and his new love, motocross. So for the 10-year anniversary, Jordan decided to re-release the new loves in the spring of 2017. The only difference between these and the old ones are that this wing logo is the OG style logo, but outside of that, it's supposed to be the same as the 2007 pair. And these right now are going for about $500. Used, they're going between $180 to $400. It all depends the condition that the shoe's in. So if you have them beat up and you want to restore them to sell them, that's something to think about. So the shoe is gonna need a deep cleaning. We're gonna have to take these creases out of his toe boxes because the ones should never have creases on them, and the client specifically asked for this part specifically. And then just making sure to tackle these midsoles, make sure that they're nice and white, and that these soles are nice and yellow, nice like a gum yellow look to them. So not really like a gum bottom, but definitely like a nice yellow bottom to it. So we want to get all that dirt that's all up in here, get all of that out. So it's just gonna require a lot of elbow grease and some good cleaners, but we'll get it done. And then afterwards, the suede, I don't see any damages as far as repainting, and even the suede is not damaged at all. So this will probably just need a mink oil treatment afterwards to just get that black to pop some more. And yeah, guys, so let's just jump right into it.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, I'm back, and now the next step is to just tackle the sock liner, get the inside nice and cleaned up, as well as any stray fibers, stray stitching that might be around. But overall, the left shoe is actually looking really good. It just needs the brightening of the sole. But that's just what it's looking like after a wash. I have a lint shaver, and I just work it all inside of the shoe, like not just the sock liner. I hit these walls as well, and along where the laces go, and the tongue. This tongue doesn't have a lot of it, and then afterwards I have a pair of scissors and a lighter to tackle any of this frayed little fabric and stitching. So let's jump right into it.